Hello there guys, it's me, Foxy 313, and I'm on the Pullman Class 73 miniature electrical locomotive, featuring the friendly 79-year-old former BR signalman, working for BR from 1954 to 1990. What? What are we going to say?
We're just loading you up.
Okay, take your time.
And we're going to be off soon. This guy's legendary and amazing, this friendly 79-year-old. And I'm going to have my ride as always with him. Oh, shall I move ahead? Sorry. And we're going to be off soon. That's me. Should be off now.
Oh, you are?
Aren't you going to be cold without a coat? Or do you feel the heat more?
Not cold at all.
Or do you feel the heat more than the cold?
No, I'm just not cold.
Okay.
He's got young blood.
I mean, I wouldn't want to take my jumper off, but...
Yeah, I've got very cold blood. Oh dear. Oh. Waiting for quite some time.
Yeah. I
hope he gets... Aren't we supposed to be going now?
No, because they get that other one on still.
Oh, I see. Sorry. Sorry for my impatience. Sorry for my impatience. Volunteer having a cup of tea. Well, the lovely cashier having a cup of tea. Yeah, the lovely. It's only a compliment. Now we're blushed when saying that.
Right, he's just heading off now.